Bullying in Fairfax County. Do you know the facts? According to the 2009 Fairfax County Youth Survey, half of youth surveyed said they had been bullied, taunted, ridiculed, or teased, and 11% said they had been repeatedly bullied in the past year. Bullying is when one or more students of greater strength or power repeatedly tease, threaten, spread rumors about, hit, shove, or hurt another student. When these things are done with the intent to scare, intimidate, or threaten, it is bullying.
If my child were being bullied, I would know about it. I mean, if it's serious, he would tell me, right?
There are a lot of reasons teens might not admit to being the victim of bullying. Embarrassment, fear of retaliation, not wanting to be labeled as a tattletale. A teen might not even recognize that they're being bullied and just accept that other kids are mean. They may assume there is nothing anyone can do to help. Signs that your child or teen could be a victim of bullying may be physical, such as torn, damaged, or missing clothes or belongings, unexplained cuts or bruises, frequent headaches, stomach aches, or other ailments, loss of appetite, or trouble sleeping. Emotional signs of bullying are moodiness, sadness, depression, anxiety, and low self-esteem. Or you may see changes in behavior, such as isolation from or lack of friends, a drop in grades, or a reluctance to go to school or participate in her usual activities.
If my child has been bullied, what can I do to help?
If you notice signs of bullying, it's time to talk to your child. Tell him you are concerned, that being bullied is not his fault, and that he does not have to handle this alone. Bullying is never okay, and everyone has the right to live and learn in a safe and non-threatening environment.
It takes courage to ask for help. Tell an adult so you can protect yourself, or stand up for someone else. Telling is not the same as tattling to get someone in trouble. Let your teen know that she can count on you and other adults to help.
Investigate the situation. Ask your child to describe what happened, when and where the bullying took place, who was involved, and if anyone saw what happened.
If your teen was cyberbullied through cell phone text messages, emails, chat rooms, or social networking websites, print and save any messages to help identify the bully and to show what is happening.
Contact your child's school and inform them about the bullying. Then, work with the staff to find a solution. Be sure to check back with your child and the school to make sure the bullying has stopped.
Teens are more resistant to bullying when they have the support of their families, friends, school, and community. You can always help your teen
by helping them be successful in school,
giving them a voice in family decisions that affect them,
acknowledging when they do a good job,
helping them be involved in activities in and out of school,
and encouraging them to volunteer in their community.
Talk to your teen about bullying, know the signs, and let your teen know you are there to help. If you see warning signs of bullying, contact your child's school or the Office of Student Safety and Wellness for help. For more information on the Fairfax County Youth Survey, visit fairfaxcounty.gov/youth survey.